Hello, welcome to Easy IELTS, and today is lesson number 8. In this lesson, we look at the bar chart over time. So on the screen, you can see we have the bar chart right here, and the number changing over the periods of 4 years, from 2009 to 2013. Before we move on to our essay, I'm going to remind you the structure that we use. For introduction, 1 sentence, overview, 2 sentence, detailed paragraph, 4 or 5 sentences. Okay, so now we start to write introduction. For introduction, it's easy to paraphrase the topic, like the chart. We use the bar chart. Of course, this is the bar chart. So compares global sales of top 5 mobile phone brands. You can say like the number of mobile phone sold worldwide by the 5 most popular brands. Okay, we're going to rewrite this. Between and we use a period of. Okay. So now we have the introduction. The bar chart compares the number of mobile phones sold worldwide by the 5 most popular brands over a period of 4 years. So move on to the overview. For overview, you look at the highest and lowest number, and also you look at the trends, because this is the chart over time. Okay. See here. So look at the highest number. You can see this is the highest number. So Samsung highest in 2013. Nokia highest in 2009 and 2011. Okay. Actually, we don't need to talk about the lowest, because now we look at the trend. Samsung increase, Apple increase, Nokia decrease, and increase. As you can see, like Samsung and Apple increase a lot more than others. Okay, so now we go into right. Overall, Samsung sold the most mobile phone between 2009 and 2011, but Samsung became the best-selling brand in 2013. Okay, so Samsung and Apple saw the biggest rise in sales over the period sold. So this is the overview. And now we move on to the outline of body 1, body 2. And I repeat again. You have to spend like 5 minutes to outline the body 1, body 2 before you start writing. So that when you write, you know exactly what you're going to write. Okay, so in this lesson, the body 1, we talk about Samsung, Nokia, because they have like the number is very big right here, highest number. And body 2, we talk about Apple, LG, and ZTE, because their number was lower. Okay. For body 1, to start with, you can start with the first year, which is 2009. So 2009, Nokia 450, Samsung about 220. And 4 years later, in this year, actually we don't have to talk about this year, because we're going to talk about the trend over time. It increase or decrease. Okay. And 4 years later, Nokia increase and Samsung increase. Okay, so that you can see. And now we for body 2, in the first year right here, LG 125, ZTE 50, Apple 25. In the year 2013, Apple increased, LG decreased, and ZTE increased it a little bit. And actually, we can add like this sentence into body 2. In 2011, Apple overtook LG and ZTE. Okay, you can write about this, but it makes the essay like more interesting, but you don't have to. Okay. And now we're going to start writing our body 1. As you can see, In 2009, Nokia sold globally to 450 million mobile phones, which were the most double the number of handsets sold by Samsung. This is structure that we use here in this essay is different from the structure that we use in previous lesson. And I repeat again, I will going to have another lesson to teach about on the grammar. We're going to use in writing task 1, but today is just an example. Okay, so and then we continue over the following 4 years. However, Nokia sales figure fell by approximately 200 million units, whereas Samsung saw the rise in its sale by a similar amount. This structure we're going to learn in another lesson. So now it's just an example. And then we move on to body 2. We can start with turn into another 3 mobile brands, just like we introduction to Nokia, LG, and ZTE. We can see that LG, ZTE, and Apple so around this number, mobile handset respectively. Okay, this handset. But Apple overtook the other 2 vendors. So in 2013, Apple sales figure rose figures. Instead of talking about number, you use figure. Okay, rose to 150 million, while LG saw a decline. And the figure for ZTE grew only slightly. Okay, just very slightly. So, and this is the body 2. So now we're going to have the whole essay. You're going to write this down and read it over and over again. Try to understand like the structure that we use. Okay, I'm going to teach you later, but not today. Like this structure, double the amount of handsets, and write itself by a similar amount, something like this. If you have the layout like this and you write exactly what your layout here is okay, you get band 6, 6.5, no problem. But if you want to get band 7 or both, you have to use different grammar structure, and try to remember that. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you enjoy the lesson. I'll see you again tomorrow in lesson number 9. You have a good day. Bye bye.